I really hope you can't hear that. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning, he's blaring music downstairs. What's up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. Hopefully I have 15 and 16 already up before 17 because we're a little bit behind. I may have to redo this intro because of that music. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm making breakfast. I made some homemade jam. You literally just put berries in a pan, a little bit of water, and some sugar. And you just let it boil and cook out. I'm gonna catch up with you guys after because he's really loud. That was his dad's room. Alright, so like I said, we're making breakfast. I already got it's just frozen sausage. I put berries in a pot with some sugar and an itty bitty bit of water. And I got hash browns cooking, and I'm about to just make some eggs. So we just got back from taking the, well, I just got back. Kevin should be back in maybe like 5-10 minutes. But we're about to go pick up my truck. It is like 1 o'clock. What time is it? Oh, it's 1:30. It is 1:25. But about to go pick up my truck. And then finally I'm going to come home, try and edit day 15. If that doesn't really work out because Adobe crashed, I'm just gonna edit day 16 and then hopefully this is not dark. And then, I don't know, maybe start editing day 17. But either for dinner, we are going to have either like these Tex-Mex tacos or pork-Mex tacos or something, or steak. I really hope it's a steak because I wanted it last night, but no, he chose the spaghetti, which I love spaghetti too, but I gotta take this stuff off. Like I said, he should be back any minute now, and this battery's actually gonna die. Yeah. Oh, he did take out this trim. So, he did that last night. Not last night, yesterday. So, he's gonna have to now mud it and do all the other fun stuff. So, I think that's what he's gonna be doing today while I'm editing, so. I will catch you guys actually, just because I doubt you really want to see me edit. But I will catch you guys back during dinner. He's trying to catch a snowflake. Alright, so for dinner we are having a steak with mushroom, a cream sauce served with roasted potatoes and carrots. I just got day 15. It's exporting. It'll be about an hour and 20 minutes. It's a half-hour vlog. My bad. But right now we are about to make, like I said earlier, the steak. So for this one, let's grab our bag. But this one's going to be for he smells my shrimp that is on the table. Yeah. Yeah, he thinks he can have some shrimp. He likes shrimp. This is my shrimp. My shrimp. Anyways, let's grab our bag. Whoa! Alright. Got a cat, a dog. This must be some good shrimp, you guys, because, like, 1 cat, 2 cat, 3 cat, dog. She hates the camera!
Oh, it's pointing at you. Oh, look, they're looking at how pretty you are. Oh, oh, they love you. They think you're gorgeous. Huh? Oh, okay, we'll take it off you. Okay, I can still do my trick. I'll do a trick for pieces. Huh? Yeah, I'll do a trick. Oh, I'll do a trick. What you have on your paw? You don't do a trick. You don't do a trick.
My bad. This is all me this time. It's not given.
So for 2 servings, you need 10 ounces of steak. They use beef ranch steak. We're gonna need 2 scallions, 12 ounces of carrots, 4 ounces of button mushrooms. Those guys are a little dirty. 2 ounces of sour cream, 1 thing of beef stock concentrate. Like I said, if you don't have this or you can't find it, use a beef bouillon cube. And these are not sweet. Oh, this one. 12 ounces of gold Yukon potatoes. And lastly, 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to grab a couple extra potatoes because Kevin. And then a little tip. When you are washing your mushrooms, honestly, don't wash them. Do not run them underwater. Don't do it. What you want to do is take a wet paper towel or a towel if, you know, you're fancy just using a towel. But you want to get that wet and you want to gently just rub the dirt off your mushrooms. If you put them underneath the water, mushrooms are so porous and they're kind of like sponges. They're just going to literally soak up all that water and then eventually get tough, and they're just, you're not doing a mushroom justice by doing that. So don't just don't do it. So now we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees and then make sure all your other produce and everything is clean. I kind of already did that in my bed, so I just wanted to show you my mushrooms. Actually. So now we're going to dice our potatoes into a 1/2 inch piece, trim, peel, and cut the carrots on a diagonal into about a 1/2 inch pieces, and then we're going to trim and thinly slice the mushrooms. I'm actually going to quarter them because Kevin doesn't like mushrooms, so the bigger they are, the easier he doesn't get them. Alright, and then you're going to toss the potatoes on one side of the baking sheet with a large drizzle of olive oil and then season all over with salt and pepper. And then on the other side of that baking sheet, you are going to put the carrots along with a drizzle of olive oil and salt and pepper. And if you are using, you know, 4 servings, actually I might have to do this on 2 separate. But if you're using, you know, like servings for 4, you're going to probably have to use 2 separate baking sheets. And then they're going to roast on the top rack for about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, and then you're going to want to peel and grate your garlic, and then you're going to trim and thinly slice the scallions. This time we're going to separate the greens from the whites. I see this time because last cooking you didn't separate them. While the veggies roast, we're going to heat a large drizzle of olive oil, a tablespoon of butter. If you are doing serving size for 4, you are going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. And then you're going to add the mushrooms, stirring occasionally until they're about, you know, a little golden brown and crispy, about 5 to 7 minutes. And then you're going to season that with salt and pepper. Give those guys a little bowl, they can chill in there for a minute. So now you're going to take your steak and you're going to pat it dry with paper towel, and then you're going to season it all over with salt and pepper. Once you did that, you are then going to heat the pan that you used for the mushrooms with a large drizzle of oil. Then you're going to add the steaks and cook to your desired doneness. I like my steaks kind of raw, so. But once you're done with that, you're then going to use that same pan and move your steaks over to the side, let them rest. And then you're going to use that same pan and heat a drizzle of olive oil, a tablespoon of butter, And then you're going to add the garlics and the scallion whites and then cook that for about like 30 seconds. And once that is done, then you're going to add in 1/4 cup of water, or about a 1/2 cup for 4 servings, along with that stock concentrate. And then you're going to stir in the mushrooms and any remaining juices from the steak. So basically put it on a plate. And you're going to let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're going to remove the pan from heat, stir in sour cream, and cook until smooth, season it with salt and pepper. And then slice the steak against the grain and divide the steak with potatoes and carrots, and spoon sauce over the steak, garnish with scallion greens, and you are all done. Bon appetit!
Alright, so our steaks just got done. Our veggies are all done. I'm so excited to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas Day 17. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of the other Vlogmases, because I missed one, so I had a double upload, make sure you click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye!